Welcome. This is Evelyne Brink here from brinkcoaching.com, teaching experts, master coaches and thought leaders how to stand out, be seen, leverage your expertise through the power of the camera. And in this video, I'm going to show you the biggest excuses that we have and use to not grow our business effectively and how to get over yourself. What am I gonna wear? I have nothing to wear. I'm way too tired today. I don't even feel like getting dressed. Just not in the mood. I don't even know what to say. I'm way too busy to do videos. Gosh, when do people find the time? I want to do my makeup. I'm just not feeling it. I can't be asked. So most of these excuses here can be boiled down to not feeling it in some sort of way. How much are you holding yourself back from living this amazing life and creating this wonderful business in the world by not feeling it? When we want to execute on a plan, we need personal power. Personal power means the ability to follow through on what we said we would. I'm all for feeling and expressing feelings. I'm such an emotional creature. And the understanding needs to be there that certain things are not questioned. You don't not pick up your children from school because you're not feeling it. You don't not pay your taxes because you're not feeling it. So those are just things that we don't question. Once you can see your video creation in that category of unquestionable, you can have any feeling rise up that you want. You can deal with that, release it, express it, use it creatively, and keep going. Interestingly enough, your feeling may absolutely follow your action taking. This video, for example, was shot in reverse. I really wasn't feeling it and I struggled with that. I'll be honest with you here. So I thought, what can I do to still get going? So I shot scenes that were expressing that, and there were no makeup and no hair. And the feeling of wanting to do this came as I started filming. Your path will unfold as you walk it. Now, if you're too busy to do videos, it tells me something about your priorities. If you haven't yet seen how important and crucial your video creation is, you may just put it on your task list somewhere around, yeah, I guess I should be doing that. Once you understand that it will really increase your conversion rate, it will connect to your potential customers and existing customers in a way that you would take so much more time if you had to go one-on-one. Creating a video suddenly makes sense. The investment makes sense. Imagine this was the business opportunity you've been waiting for. You will not let anything get in your way. And if you're just not comfortable with the whole process of making video and everything that's involved, and it's just new and somehow, there are two options. Number one, maybe it's really not for you and you just don't want to do that. And that's okay. We don't need everyone in the world to be on video. But if you actually do want to do it, you just kind of don't quite yet, go get training. Surround yourself with people on the same path. Join a workshop, join our group, get coached, and become comfortable, confident, and happy in your video creation, daring to be fully you, and using this camera to grow your business and your amazing life. If you're making a video in this next week as a result of watching this, please tag me, write a comment below, and send a link to it. I want to see it. It's already happened to a couple of you. Let me know how you're getting on. I'm really happy to be here and support you. I hope this video was super useful for you. If you like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next week, and remember, it is so good to be seen on screen.